To transfer data from QuickBooks to a Xero entry accounting software, there are two main options: using third-party apps or manual exporting and importing. The third-party apps, such as Data Switcher, Cone, and Mover.io, provide a step-by-step guide on their websites to automate the transfer process, making it easy and convenient. Alternatively, the manual exporting and importing process can be used. This involves exporting data from QuickBooks, including charts of accounts, customer and supplier information, transactions, and bank transactions. To export the charts of accounts, go to the Report section. Click on Reports. Type Account List in the search bar and find the list of accounts. Then, click on More Actions and select Export as CSV or Export to Excel. To export customer and supplier data, click on Sales, then Customers, and click on the second icon next to the print icon. The customer data will be exported, and the file can be saved to the computer. To export transactions, go to the Report section. Run reports such as profit and loss or balance sheet, and click on the export icon to save the file to the computer. To export bank transactions, click on Transactions, then Bank Transactions, and click on the second icon. The exported files can then be imported into the Xero entry accounting software. To import the charts of accounts, click on Accounts in the menu, then Charts of Accounts, and select the Import option. Browse for the exported file and click on the Import button. To import customer and supplier data, click on Contacts, then Customers, and select the Import option from the three-dot menu. Browse for the exported file and click on Next. To import bank transactions, click on Accounts, then Bank Accounts, and add the bank account to the Xero entry accounting software. Once the bank account is added, click on the Match Account button, then Import or Statement, and select the exported file. Invoices and bills can be imported using the built-in import tool by clicking on Business, then Invoices, and selecting the Import option. The exported files from QuickBooks can be selected and imported into the Xero entry accounting software. The final step is to reconcile the bank statements and review the balances to ensure they match the reports from QuickBooks. Additional settings can be added as needed.